this orange chicken here that I've been wanting to try. So let's get started. Uh-oh. Where's the sizzle, y'all? The sizzle. Oh, I had it on low. Don't worry, it'll sizzle in a second. But anyways, how was y'all day? So I've been trying to find meals that I could cook, on the regular basis that I could eat. So I came across this orange chicken that I wanted to try. So I'm gonna let you guys know how it is. There's the sizzle we've been looking for. Yeah, come on, baby, sizzle it on up. There we go. Yeah. It looks like somebody was been eating it because it's not that much in here. So as it sizzles up, we're just gonna let it sizzle up and stir it around. There we go. Yeah. And it comes with these sauces. As you can see, this is a lot of sauce. Alright, here we go. It's getting nice and crispy. Let's see what the recipe says. It says it'll take 10 to 15 minutes to cook. So, alright. That's too long though, so I'm cutting this video short. It's only gonna be like 4 minutes. Y'all gonna see some of it, and that's it. And now I'll come back and show y'all. I want to make sure your chicken is nice and crispy before I put the sauce on it. Because that's how orange chicken is supposed to be. Nice and crispy. Duh. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. I think I got some on my cheese. And then you want to make sure all the orange chicken is coated in the orange chicken sauce.